Hi everyone, this is Bastian from AndroidPIT. In this video we want to talk to you about weather apps. There are tons and tons of them in the Play Store, but it's hard to tell which one is actually good. So we picked our three favorite ones that we're gonna show you in this video. So let's get right into it. The first app I want to talk to you about is the Weather Channel. It's one of the most successful ones out there, and there are reasons for it. First of all, it's visually really pleasing. It has a lot of features because you have all those numbers, all those stats about weather, like wind speed, humidity, pressure, all that kind of stuff. When you scroll down, you have a couple more things. You actually have info in an hourly fashion, so you know what to expect later in the day, or a daily forecast for the next couple days. Below that, you also have a radar, so you can actually look around what's happening, in my case, around Berlin, or even videos, which is kind of special for a weather app. As you can kind of see, we do have some advertisements in this app, in between the feed, but also at the bottom if you're right on top. Let's go to the next app, which is really different from this one, which is called Windy. It has a whole different features, and it's completely different from pretty much any other app we know. The big thing about this app is wind, as the name Windy implies. You have a couple of features. If you click the settings button down here, as you can see, there are a couple of things you can activate. For example, kite spots. So when you zoom in, let's close it. When you zoom in, it actually shows you the best kite spots on the coast. It's really a specific app, obviously. It also has webcams, so you can actually look at certain places, how the weather is there. And it's really for kite surfers, for parachuting, all that kind of stuff that has to do with wind. It also has a timeline down here, so it just runs through what's happening in the next couple hours. You can also just jump over something to some spot, for example to Saturday, you just let it run. And our favorite app that we have chosen is Weather Timeline. Also, again, really different from the two others. As you can see, it's visually completely different. You can also have different cities. You can just add one through the plus down here. I already added 2 cities. The one I'm staying at and the one where my parents live. So let's click on Berlin and let's have a quick look. As you can see, first you have all the infos about right now, and you can just scroll through, for example, next 24 hours, where you have the info for, well, the next 24 hours. Let's go back. But you also have a forecast for the next couple of days. You can always click on one to have more infos and see more information about the hourly forecast on that day. Why is Weather Timeline so nice? Honestly, in my opinion, because of the settings you have in this app. You can customize basically everything. That was basically it. Those are our 3 favorite weather apps. If you watch this video on our website, we would love to see comments from you about your favorite app, so we can decide if yours perhaps is even better. If you watch this video on YouTube, please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time, guys.